Guns and Silver and Knives back at you. I've got a 1,000 subscriber promotion coming up around 4th of July. I'll post the promotion, but this is the introduction to the items I'm going to have available for the drawing for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I've been holding on to this Fury knife for quite a while since I bought my trail. It's been about 9 or 10 years I've had this Fury knife. Folding Fury lock back. It has some features I like, but it is massively funky. Spanish Fury knife. I think you can get an idea what the stainless china, and it's got the Fury 10529 as the model number. And they're available still. You can get them in pretty good condition. This one's not in great condition. It's good condition. I wouldn't be offering it if it was useless, but it's got blade wobble and some other problems with the frame being flexed, but it's not broken to the point of not being usable. If you can see that, it's got some wild grinding done to the blade, but no real damage to the handle or locking mechanism. So that's one item that'll be for the drawing for the 1,000th subscriber when it comes up. I'll let you know at the end of the video what you have to do to sign up for this, get into the drawing. The other item coming up for the drawing is a Rough Rider Tater Skin Bow canoe knife. Large canoe knife. It's got the locking blades. Got half stops. Locks out nice. Big blade's kind of cool. Nice big wide spear point. It's got its own unique grind. It's got that match in the nail nick. It's got the I guess match strike design. Got all the shiny and fine stuff that Rough Rider does to their knives these days. It's really sweet. It's a well-made knife, good knife, and it's going to be part of the drawing. These two knives will be part of the drawing for the 1,000 subscriber promotion I've got coming up. So if you get a chance, take the opportunity to do what you need to join this promotion. Pardon me. I've got the, what is that? Brown burlap micarta scales. This has not been used. It's not new, of course, because I opened the packaging and I've handled it a lot, but it's never been used, never been sharpened. It fits the hand well. It's a great knife. Great canoe style knife from Rough Rider. The Fury knife, like I said, has been well used. It's not terrible wobble, but it does have blade wobble. Not much, but you can side to side. The frame's been flexed at the pivot point, but nothing. The blade locks tight, holds the hand well, cuts well. It's just been This is actually a little bit sharp. You got to be mindful of that. The top clip point on this, somebody decided to grind it into an edge. I tried to dull that down so you don't cut yourself closing or handling it. But it's got good snap, good retention. It's a fine, big collectible Fury 10529 model folding lock back hunter style knife from the 70s, 1970s actually. Okay, so I promoted that enough. I'll get down to it. If you want these two free knives, in the comments section, put down Funky Fury Promotion. In the comments section to enter the drawing to win these two knives, the Fury 10529 and the Tater Skin Brown Burlap Micarta Bow Canoe. Put down Funky Fury Promotion in the comments section, and you will be listed. I'll put you down and enter you in the drawing for July 4th to win these knives for my 1,000 when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.